Hi guys, and welcome to another video regarding the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now, I've had this phone for just over a week, well, exactly a week, and it arrived on Monday. And coming from an iPhone user, I thought, let me use this phone, see how it is, and whether I would swap from my current iPhone 13 Pro Max to the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now, first impressions, having used it for a week, it is a nice phone to hold. I do like the shape of it. It's curved, it's nice and matte at the back, which I like, similar to the iPhone 13 Pro. And it's easy to hold on the hands. Face ID, fingerprint, it's all really useful. Again, features that are lacking from an iPhone, especially the fingerprint sensor, which honestly is so handy. Battery life for this, it's been okay. The battery does die a bit quickly, but obviously for me, I'm using the screen as FHD, I think. Let me show you. Still getting to grips with how a Samsung UI works. It's the first time I've ever owned one. So where are we? Display, I have motion smoothness as adaptive, so I've got 120 Hz, which is really nice on the eyes, and I've got screen resolution as WQHD+. There's HD+, FHD+ as well. So if you go for the middle option, it's improved visuals but moderate battery use, and this one is basic visuals and lowest battery use. A lot of people have complained about the phone crashing or the screen glitching with FHD or HD, one of those two, but obviously with me using it as the best resolution, I've not experienced any of that. Obviously coming from an iPhone as well, you've got this swipe here, feature here, which I prefer, and yeah, it is really useful. So battery life, like I said, it's okay, not that great, but if you change the settings, you'll be fine. Now in terms of gaming, I'm not really much of a gamer, but I have played a few, such as Temple Run, FIFA. They've got a lot of options on the App Store as well that you could just download and have a go with. Need for Speed, Asphalt. I've tried a few of those, and quality is quite nice. I mean, you've got quite a good screen resolution, you've got a nice display. Obviously with this being newer than the iPhones, it's gonna have the latest technology, but again, I'm not really that much of a gamer, so I'll leave that to those who do game. Now, one thing I have been impressed with is the camera. This probably has the best camera I've seen in a phone so far, especially in night mode. Night mode, it is honestly amazing. Took a few pictures before, let me see. So yeah, I don't know if you can see it properly from the camera, but the quality of these images, I mean, honestly, second to none. You don't get these type of night mode quality pictures on my iPhone, so I've got to say Samsung win it there. The video quality as well, it's okay. I did a video test comparing both phones, so if you missed that, that would be in the link below, or I'll leave a card at the top. I think video quality was quite nice, much better than the iPhone. The colors stand out more, it's more clear and crystal, so I think iPhone have the edge there. In terms of streaming, quality is all good. It's what you expect from a very good phone like this, to be fair. Let's go to one of my videos. If you haven't subscribed, by the way, please do. That would mean a lot to me. I did a speed test here. Let's have a look at that video. I mean, it is nice to look at. It's a 6.8 inch screen, so in terms of streaming videos or watching Netflix, you've got a really nice screen. You've got a zoom in for the screen, so pinch to zoom. Otherwise, you've got these two black screens here, but if you zoom in, it is quite nice. I'm a fan of the hole punch design as well. Hopefully Apple bring that to the next iPhone, which I believe they will, but yeah, Samsung are leading the way in terms of technology here. One thing that does bug me a bit though is the latency while scrolling. Now, I don't know if you can see it on the screen, but it does not glitch a bit, but it isn't as smooth. Again, that's probably because of the app. It hasn't updated for Samsung, but I mean, I think they've been running 120 hertz on the S21 Ultra as well, so it should really be updated for this. Now, I'm not a professional YouTuber. I don't review tech stuff on a daily basis like you've got your other YouTubers. This is strictly from just a random person who's using the phone for the first time. And if I am honest, it is a good phone. It's a bit similar to my current iPhone anyway, but obviously I'm just getting used to how everything works. You got your volume button and your power button on the side. On the iPhone it's on the left and your power button's on the right. So one thing I do like about this phone is its ability to customize the phone. So you got themes that you can download off this themes app thingy that you'll find on the widget when you lift to hold like that. And a lot of them, well, quite a lot of them are paid, but you do have your free ones. And some of these themes, they do look really nice if I'm honest. Again, something Apple lacks, and one day I hope iOS adapts this feature. You've got different icons, you've got just a brand new theme in general. Just makes your phone look nice. Yeah, so you've got icons as well that you can buy. I'm pretty sure they've got a few free ones. This is something that you can't do on iPhone, unfortunately, unless you jailbreak, and that some people might not want to do. You've got your themes, quite a few of them are free as well. So, and you've got wallpapers. You've also got always on display features that you can add to your phone, which again, really cool. And it's another thing I like about this phone, the always on display feature. Again, I'm comparing it to Apple, and Apple don't do that. So there are a lot of things in which Samsung win. I mean, for my final verdict, this probably might not be that detailed of a review, but I mean, I'm just an average user who's used an Apple iPhone for pretty much my whole life since it's been out. But if you are thinking of upgrading your current Samsung or an iPhone you've got to this Ultra S22, then go for it. I mean, if you've got the 13 Pro Max, I would honestly say stick to the iPhone. But if you are about that customization life, if you want to get more for your phone, then I think the Samsung would be your best choice. It is a nice phone. There are a few colors that you can use. The green does pop out in my opinion, and I think it's one of my favorite colors there. Cameras are really nice. Speed wise, I did a speed test. This Samsung got blown away by the iPhone, but it is a brand new phone, so hopefully there are updates that are coming in the future that allows the phone to become more adaptive to the apps and more, well, faster in general to use. If you've got a Samsung, let me know if you do like the S22 Ultra. I've seen a few reviews lately saying it's pretty much the same as an iPhone 13 anyway. But yeah, it's the first time I've ever owned one. I do like it. It's different, I'll give it that. And yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and press that subscribe button, and yeah, thank you for watching.